Hey guys, this is Edgar's Girl Garage you're watching. And today's topic, why aren't you getting promoted? Okay, so the reason I want to make this video quickly is because I've seen a lot of things going on in the store, especially in the shop. We had a new guy who just started working a couple months ago and he's already getting promoted as a tech. What's going on, okay? And it frustrates me because, a lot of guys see that they're trying to move up and they can't. The reason is because managers and management try to keep you where you at because they know they can trust you. They know that you're going to do the job, okay? And you're going to do as much work as you can, and they'll squeeze you and milk you for anything you got, okay? That's why they don't promote you, okay? They tend to keep you there for as long as they can, okay, until they find brand new people that can do the same thing you can, and they just get rid of you. That's pretty much it. Other reasons you don't get promoted, maybe it's because it's just they don't like you. There's some managers that work hard to make you look bad, and that ruins your credibility with other managers and other people. What to do with them? I just had to go to HR, but sometimes HR is going to take their side of things. It's happened to me a lot where managers are trying to ruin my reputation. And I know you've been in that situation where they're trying to ruin your reputation. But remember one thing, if you go to college, if you have a degree in automotive, or if you have ASE certified techs, patches, guess what? They cannot touch you, okay? They cannot take away what you learned. And you can go back and attack them with your knowledge and make them look bad, okay? My name is Edgar, the Magician Technician. Thanks for watching Edgar's Girl Garage. Thank you.